In this video, let's talk about some history and the modern version of this old firearm tag from hundreds of years ago. After talking about how superposed load firearms work, now let's focus on its history. In fact, the history might be longer than we thought. According to the picture, assembly in about 1500, there was a superposed load concept applied in the firearms. But the shape was still like a Roman candle or hand candle, but not a real gun. And according to the book, Superposed Load Firearms, the earliest document of a superposed load concept, might appear earlier in about 1360. In addition, there is another thing. The concept of superposed loads was first applied to firearms in 1558 by the Italian inventor Giambattista della Porta. Until the matchlock gun tag matured, the firearm inventors started to try to use the superposed load tag on these matchlock muskets. Finally, just like what they thought, this was feasible, although it was not used widely and popular. This superposed load tag always existed and followed the development of firearms, more specifically the development of the trigger and lock systems from matchlock and wheel lock to flintlock and then to percussion cap lock from 1360 to 1860. With the metallic cartridge tag being mature, people finally found the best way to build the repeating gun, so the superposed load tag became a replaceable tag. Or we can think that since the metallic cartridge showed out the reliability, it quickly became the mainstream, and more firearms started to use it. At the same time, the metallic cartridge even might force the muzzle loaders, the early branch loaders that needed to use the paper cartridge to live out of the history stage. And the superposed load tag is appearing with both. Meanwhile, the superposed load tag, which always had its big shortcoming in safety problems and practicability since it was born in the world, might be this reason it always used was limited. Until this moment, the superposed load firearms in this video that we saw are always European firearms and American firearms. So, did this kind of firearm appear in Asia? I think the answer is yes, it was. This is a matchlock with an iconic ancient Indian style in the 18th century. We can see that this musket used the superposed load tag, but it still has the common shape of the single-shot matchlock musket. Nowadays, the superposed load tag seemingly has disappeared totally, but people might not forget it. Just like the Gatling gun, modern technology can improve it and fix its disadvantages that couldn't be made up in the old time. The superposed load tag has a similar experience. Its modern version is the Metal Storm weapon system made by the Australian Metal Storm Limited. Their products can have 1 million rounds per minute rate of fire. They have an electronic control system to make sure every cartridge can be fired accurately, so the safety and firing efficiency have improved very obviously. Besides the larger weapon, they also build some small weapons. This is a multi-shot accessory and a barrel launcher, as known as MAUL, which is a shotgun or grenade launcher based on the Metal Storm's electronically initiated superposed load technology. After using the electronic system, the MAUL superposed load firearm device finally became a real semi-auto firearm, not like its ancestors that have to be moved the lock plate position or add many triggers or locks. Okay, this is today's video, and thank you for watching. Hope you can like this video. Have a good day. See you next time. Bye.